we have this awesome shade, and I want to let you all know that we appreciate it very much. Thank you very much to our PTO and the Chapin Foundation.
Mr. Chapin's vision for Myrtle Beach was to enhance the quality of life for every citizen, and this is certainly a way to do that for our youngest citizens here at Myrtle Beach Primary.
So hot standing out here. We wanted something where, people could stand, the kids could stand and play and kind of cool off and just be able to have something, just a nice area to be and not be so hot.
We've been thinking about having this shade installed in our playground for a few years now, and just never really had quite the funding to provide that shade, but it is a wonderful opportunity for our students to be outside during recess or during any sort of outdoor learning experiences that they have.
Society, we've learned how important it is for outdoor space, and we want these kids we just wanted to do something nice for these kids because they have been through a lot.
So when they get super hot, they could just chill under here.